Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Telegram Desktop on your Windows computer. To begin, open your preferred web browser. You can use any browser, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or another browser installed on your computer. Now, click on the address bar at the top of the browser and search for the official Telegram Desktop website. Make sure you are visiting the official Telegram website to download the genuine and latest version of Telegram Desktop. Once the official Telegram website opens, look for the download section. Here you will see different options for different operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Since we are downloading Telegram for a Windows computer, find the option for Windows. If your computer uses a 64-bit version of Windows, select the Windows x64 download option. Now, click the download button. Your browser will automatically start downloading the Telegram Desktop setup file. Depending on your internet speed, the download may take a few moments. You can check the download progress from your browser's download section. Once the download is complete, open the Downloads folder on your computer. Here, you should find the Telegram Desktop setup file that you just downloaded. That's it. You have successfully downloaded Telegram Desktop to your Windows computer. In the next step, you can open the setup file and install Telegram Desktop H.